Hi everybody, it's Camila Rose and I am here for our February Paycheck 1 closeout. It's been a wild week. I know I missed a week, well almost missed a whole week. My video for last week came out a little bit late because I live in Texas and I was in the snow apocalypse. So almost a week with off and on power, water, access a mess. Everything was just wild. I am perfectly fine. All my family is safe, so blessings there, but was unable to do any of the recordings that I needed to. So we are catching up and we're back at it. So we will be closing out this one and then doing a little bit of cash stuffing, and then we will be on to our next video. So if you are interested in videos about designing the life that you love, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and I will see you all in just a little bit. All right, so here we go. As you can see, we've got our budget for February with our totals. We've got our little place to divide everything up from what we have left, and let's see how things go. So we spent $300 for our envelopes, and then we had $9.57 for our rent. Adobe was $32.46. Our electricity was $94.32. And y'all, we will talk about electricity for this upcoming month because I'm sure you all have heard about all the craziness going on with the electricity. I think I need a new pen. I think my pen's running low. Okay. So we have the $94.32 for electricity. We have, and I have my paper here that has everything written out. We have $49.90 for our bank field, and for sinking funds we have $117. Giving, we took out $12. School loans, we took out $40. And that left us with a total of roughly 1603.01, and that leaves us with roughly about $11 left over. So we're gonna go ahead and put in here 11, which is just really sad. Usually I have a lot more because I have more for did I take out? Oh yeah, okay, it's 40 for school loans. Usually I have a lot more left over because my electricity bill is so much lower than I usually need. But that was not the case this time because it's been cold and I hate being cold. So I have my electricity running, or my heater running. And so we took a little toll there. So I basically took some of these out. So I changed up the percentages. I'm going to do debt. I'm going to do 40%. So that's going to be $4. Ooh, that's just messy. 40%, $4. Emergency savings is going to get $2. Business is going to get $1. Technology is not getting anything. House is going to get $3. And then giving is going to get $1. And then stocks is not getting anything. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That gives us that 11. That zeroes us out. So I have a 10 here and a 1. So I can do a couple of the things that are here. A lot of these just need to be transferred anyway through my accounts. I can get some change though, so that I'll be able to divide this up like I need to. I probably just need to get change for the 10. Luckily, we get to play the change game. I should have picked up some 1s while I was at the bank today, but I didn't. I did pick up though some 5s and some 10s. We have a little bit. Got something. So I'm going to change out the 2 5s for the 10 and put this away because I need this for something else. And then see if I can get change for a 5 at the very least. Y'all, it is a miracle. I found 5 ones in one section. So we'll switch that out. It was in my cosplay / gardening section. Random, I know, but I got it. So there we go. All right, so now we can figure out what needs to go where. So we need $4 for debt. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We need $2 for emergency. Now I'm thinking because some of this needs to go back into my account. So I need $3 for house. It needs to go back in the account. So what are the ones I need? I need $1 for giving, $1 for giving, $1 for business that needs to stay out, and then I need 4 for debt. Okay, perfect. Okay, so then I have emergency, that's 2, and I have house, that's 2. Okay, so great. So this 5 will actually go back into the bank, and this will be for house and for emergency. And then I will put the $1 for giving, which I actually love my giving envelope. Let me go grab that. Right, so $1 for giving. And then we have $1 for business. So that'll go in here. Closeout income goes in here with that. Money. And then we have, if I can get it to work like I need to. Okay. And then we have $4 for debt. So we will add that into our debt envelope. As you know, we have our lovely 500 envelopes over here. And I just put in the debt. That's technology. I put in all of the extra money I can put towards debt at the end of the month. Just so that it all goes together and we can do a quick little count of that just to see where we are. So 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So 185, I think it was. Or something like that. That's a lot. I did not think it was that much, but apparently it is. But debt, y'all know, that's my major goal, working on paying this car off. So it's going to take some monies to do that. And I'm glad I'm able to continue to contribute to it. So blessed for that one. All right, and then that's everything. So our Paycheck 1 is closed out. Paycheck 2 will be coming up soon once we get towards the end of the month. And I will see you all later. Thank you for watching. Let me know how your month has been going. If you live in Texas, has it been crazy? Are you okay? Are y'all prepared? If you don't live in Texas or somewhere else, because I know a lot of other states were impacted by this weather. If you live somewhere else, are you now like, okay, I need to be prepared. I need to have emergency money. I need to have food in the house. I need to have stuff to stay warm, stuff to stay cool. Like, just let me know. I will talk to you all later. Thank you for watching. Have a great one. Bye-bye.